this video, I will show you how to check waiver wire players in ESPN Fantasy Football. So simply open up the Fantasy app. From here, make sure you're in the Football tab. Here you will have a league going on. Simply click on My Team. Now this page will open. Go to Players tab. Now simply browse for the players who are showing a yellow or orange claim button. That means they're currently on waiver. And the ones with green button are the free agents. Simply click on claim player and that's it. However, if you already have your roster full, then you might have to drop one current player to add a new player. Simply click on confirm transaction and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.